Hello, my name is Jason Lanver, and I'm a very proud student of Ollie Hochberg of E-Trading Academy. At first, I was a bit skeptical when I had run into Ollie by searching on Google, but I can tell you that I was very, very, very pleasantly surprised with the outcome. I ended up hiring Ollie for approximately 15 one-on-one tutoring sessions. I can tell you for sure that I'm a completely different trader now than compared to when I was before. Before, I used to run on instinct. I used to run on hunches. I used to look at macro, and if I believed in companies, I would invest. But after studying with Ollie, I've started to understand the chart in a completely different way. I can see where the stock price is hitting resistance, and I can see where there's opportunities. And I also a lot better at understanding how long those opportunities could last for. I can probably talk on this for a long time, sharing all of my amazing experience learning with Ollie and tutoring with him. But what I can tell you is risk management is the most important thing. Before, I used to make mistakes and get deeper and deeper into the hole as the price was going down. Now, my risk management is plugged in so that even if only 25 or 30% of my trades are the right decision, was the right call, I can still make a lot of profit that month because I cut my losses very early on the mistakes. All I can say is that I recommend Ollie and E-Trading Academy with all my heart. He's an amazing teacher. He's an honest guy. He doesn't count every minute, and he's always there for me whenever I have questions. So take it from me, Ollie is an amazing coach, and I would give him a shot if I were you.